Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to clean your USB charging port with home remedies using household items on your OPPO A54s. So as you can see in my USB charging port, there is a piece of paper, there is a dirt that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So you need to remember the one rule that never use metal objects to clean the connector, to not damage the moisture protection of your device and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which I no longer use. And now we are going to try to clear our USB port. So at first you need to take the cover off and take the brush in your hand. Then insert the one part of the brush into the connector and try to pry the dirt out. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.